Today we are unboxing the 10-piece ceramic non-stick cookware set. This is something I've been wanting for so long because it's non-toxic, and all those Teflon pans that can release chemicals into your food, we were ready to get rid of. So this is going to be our new healthy start to the year with these pans. And so let's open them up and show you what's inside. This is the Stewart brand off of Amazon, and if you want to get these, you can actually find them in the caption below. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. I'll lay it on the side. Okay, first one. So this one is free of PFOA, PTEE, it's free of lead, it's free of camdamin. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't sound good. So when you get this, you're actually cooking food for yourself that your body's gonna thank you for, because all of those toxins take so long to get out of your body and lead to a lot of other issues later down the road. So the one that we got is the kind of creamy beige tone with the gold handles. So I love the glass tops on all of these and the gold handles. That is just so pretty. And in this set, there's a multiple different pots and pans. So we're gonna have the 1 quart pan, the 1 quart saucepan, which I'm imagining this goes to. We have this glass lid. And then, so this is the 1 quart saucepan with covered lid. Look at that, so cute. Oh, nope, not that one. Doesn't go with that one lid. But see, that is just like the perfect size if you're making a roux or just a little sauce to go on top of your meat that you're cooking. And these are so lightweight, guys. That's like the unbelievable part of it. And then we got this guy, one of our frying pans. Oh man, I cannot wait to start using these. Look at that. And then you have the Martha Stewart emblem on the back. This is your 10-inch frying pan that comes in the set. Look at that gold handle. Is that not absolutely stunning? What do you think of the pans so far, Shantanu?
They're beautiful. I don't think I want to cook in them.
I know. We're just gonna keep these pans on display. We're not ever gonna use them. They're just like too pretty to cook in. I'm gonna make sure I'm extra careful with these pans so that I don't get oil buildup in the bottom. I almost feel like butter is the easier thing to use. And then this is a lid that goes with probably the Dutch oven. Yep, that's what it goes with.
Are they oven safe?
It is oven safe up to 480 degrees.
Wow.
And the glass is oven safe up to 350 degrees. So the Dutch oven is great because now you can actually put that in the oven when you're cooking like a roasted chicken or a pot roast.
Man, that's just perfect.
Is that not awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Great question. And then there's our little tiny saucepan. Is this saucepan not so cute?
It is.
If you're making like a little sauce, homemade sauce to go on top of your chicken or beef. And then here is the...
Or beans.
Or beans.
Refried beans or something?
Yeah, you could put little beans in there. That's a great pan for beans. Mm-hmm. And then this is the 2.5 quart covered saucepan. So then you have a larger saucepan. I can see you using this for like vegetables like stewing rice maybe even.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. And then this is something I have been wanting that I have not had for a very long time, which is a Dutch oven. This is great if you're wanting to make a seafood gumbo, or if you're wanting to make a pot roast, something that just needs to simmer for a long time and can go into the oven up to 480 degrees, and then you have your very own Dutch oven. A lot of Dutch ovens, though, don't have clear lids, and that's what I like about this pan set, is that all the lids are clear, so you can easily see how your food is cooking without taking the lid off. Look at that. Is that not so beautiful? I also loved these kind of arced handles. They have like very distinct squared off edges on them. They give it a very modern, clean lines look. A lot of handles you see are like really low and kind of like rounded, but this has like a really nice, distinct, modern look. So when you have people over and you're hosting with them, they'll be like, whoa, look at those sleek pans that you're cooking with. So not only are you cooking with beautiful pans, but you're also cooking with healthy, non-toxic pans. And then this is your 4.6 quarts saucepan with its own lid right here. So we're gonna get all of these out here on the counter to show you the variety of sizes that you are getting with this set. And this set was an absolute incredible price. It was just over $100. And if you guys have been looking at ceramic cookware sets, you know that that is a really fantastic price, because these cookware sets can range anywhere from like $200 to $300. Some are even $400. And so getting one that's high quality and non-toxic for, that was a lot of box there, for just over $100 is absolutely fantastic. So once again, we have all of our different pans here. And so then we have the 1 quart saucepan with a covered lid. We have the 2.5 quart saucepan with a covered lid. We have the 4.6 quart saucepan with a covered lid. And then we have the Dutch oven with its own lid. And then we have the frying pan that is 10 inches. And then we have the 8-inch frying pan right here. So 10-inch and 8-inch. Got the Martha Stewart emblem on the back. Man, I tell you what, these get me so excited to start. That's how excited I am. These get me so excited to start cooking in the kitchen with these new pans. I cannot wait to cook the first thing. I think we're cooking some salmon tonight. All right, guys, if you want to get this set, you can go down into the caption and learn how you can get it for your own home. Start cooking healthy and toxin-free in your pans for your family, and your body will thank you later down the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.